If you're experiencing login issues on Chartio, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Chartio's support team for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems on Chartio. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from support.